Hey everyone, welcome to DelfStack Tutorials. In today's video, we'll learn how to measure the distance between 2 points in Google Maps. First, open Google Maps on your browser. For this tutorial, I'm selecting New York as an example. Click the starting point, then right-click on it. From the menu, select Measure Distance. Now click an ending point to measure the distance. A measurement bar will appear showing the total distance, which is 5.70 kilometers. If you want to add multiple points, simply click along the path. Here I'm adding another point, and the total distance updates to 14.93 kilometers. That's it. Measuring distance in Google Maps is quick and easy. If you found this video helpful, like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more easy tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.